So these are the 4 tags so far, and the only one I need to erase on is this one. Good. All right. For this one, I like it just as it is. The background is really subtle, and the gold really pops up. So I like it. So this one, I'm going to doodle, and I'm that sorry that this one isn't going to have any doodles, but because I like it as it is. You can think of the gold as a kind of doodle in itself. So I'm going to use my Thule art pens, a 606 as the basic outline. And I'm going to use my signal, using ball signal 0.28 to do the decoration on the ornament. Okay, and since I have some red around the edges, I'm going to doodle around the ornament, because nobody will know that it's not supposed to be the way it is. Not to worry. So if you are liking this video, if you could hit the like button, and that way YouTube will share it with more people. All right. Now you see the blank white paper. I did that is a kind of highlight of the roundness of the ornament. So now you can do the lines like that, or like can give it more rounded, but I'm going to use it as a straight line. And the highlight or the weight of the paper looks like a reflection, so I won't carry the lines in it. You can do whatever design you like. Keep it simple or extravagant. I'll have the word that I want to use but can't say on the screen. Sorry about that. Alright. So how's that? I like it. And the silver, when you tilt it the right way, you can see it more clearly. Alright, so that one's done. And the Christmas tree. So have you put up a Christmas tree yet? So I'm going to do, again, 0.6 around the tree. Hopefully it won't blur out. Because sometimes when I paint, it blurs out. So I like the idea of outlining the ornaments, so I'm going to do that. And sometimes you have to do a second go around, because sometimes the ink won't set. See, like, okay. And I'm going to do a little bit of cross hatching and hatching around the tree. Hatching is basically lines down. And it gets a bit more three-dimensionality. You can do a little or a lot or none at all, depends upon what you want. Okay, and a little lines down. Okay, and cross hatching is basically the same as hatching, but you going across the hatch. Okay. All right. Now you can have an ornament or a star at the top of the tree, but I didn't do that for this one. This is going to be a little bit different, of course. Going to go back in with my 06, and I'm going to apply a little line around the watercolor, kind of giving it a distinct border. Now I'm giving you some ideas. You can do it or not. It's all good. Kind of an abstract doodle here. All right. So I'm going to use my 03 and every so often, because you don't want to clog up your pen. So okay, give it a little bit of dimensionality. Okay, and I'm going to round out where edges come together. I like it, but it's not for everybody. So if you know someone who likes abstract art, you can give it to them or keep it for yourself. So we've had a little bit of difficulty going over the gold, but we'll just give it a go. Okay, that's good. I like it. Remember, clean off your nib. And going back to my uniball signal 0.28. course, if the background was lighter, you would be able to see it better. Okay, I like it. Kind of funky. And again, clean your nib. So that's done. That one. That one. And this one. But again, no ink. Because I was thinking about drawing around the gold, like in this one. But I like it as the way it is. So if you like the video, subscribe for my next one, which would I do it about once a week, maybe two, but for Christmas a bit more. So I hope you enjoyed the video and got inspired today. And I will see you next time. Bye.